Yo, good evening, viewers of the Chico Army and any new viewers tuning into the channel for the first time. My name is Tyler of Chico Crypto, and will you kindly pause this video, grab yourself a brewski or spark up a doobie, and then press play and relax, because it's time for the most off-the-wall show in crypto. Crypto and a cold one. Today's featured brewski is Lagunitas IPA. Simple and plain, they're India Pale Ale. Petaluma, California. I like this better than their little something, definitely. A lot more tasty. The bear market of 2018 was absolutely brutal. Consistent downtrend with only a total of about a month where it looked like it could be over. Now we are 13 days into 2019 and the downward trend started again. If we keep going lower past January 31st, this will be the longest bear market in the history of Bitcoin. And if the price of one Bitcoin drops lower than $2,600, it will make it worse than the last crash in 2013 and 2014. You may be asking yourself at home, well, maybe I should just give up and move on with my life. I don't blame any of you, because watching your investment lose 90% or more of its value is a hard thing to do, especially when you put in your hard-earned fiat for that investment. Although the market is not going anywhere, and it moves in cycles. Traders during the last epic crash in 2013 and 2014 were feeling the same way as we are right now. They all thought it was over, and Bitcoin, let alone altcoins, could ever reach the old all-time highs, let alone crush right through it. Bear markets, stagnation, bull markets, each of them last about a year, and in my personal opinion, we are entering into stagnation. Bitcoin is not going to dump below 1K like many other crypto YouTubers have been putting in their headlines as clickbait, nor is Bitcoin going to $300,000 like those same crypto YouTubers put in their headlines a week earlier when the markets turned green. For you guessed it, clickbait and views. Bitcoin is entering stagnation, where the price will settle and will be in that range for a good portion of this year. Will it be at the 3.6K level? Will it be down in the 2.6K level? In the long run, it doesn't matter, because today I would like to reveal how you can still make it even in a stagnant bearish market. The first way is the easiest and takes the least amount of technical knowledge. Also, the investment size is completely up to you. This is called passive income through staking, baking, or just holding certain cryptocurrencies. Yes, I'm sure many of you know about the concept of staking, but there is an art to finding the projects that will be around come next bull market and then bull run. A good place to start for research regarding staking is stakingrewards.com. Link for the website is also in the description of this video. This gives a general overview of the coins that offer passive income, including Masternodes. Details like ROI, complexity of staking, risk, and more. As you can see from their website, many cryptocurrencies offer passive income through staking, an attempt to make them seem more valuable to the crowds of investors. But this website is just a start. You actually need to dig into the projects that catch your eye and make the call. Do those projects have an ecosystem built around them, or a major use case, which will keep them relevant until the next bull run? Look into the team and developer groups. Check out their GitHub. Look into multiple sources of information, not just their own sources like Medium, Reddit, and paid-for news articles which get brigaded to the front page of our cryptocurrency. From my personal own research, my picks for staking or just holding for passive income are Neo and Ontology, Tezos, and Waves. I believe come next bull run, these four projects will be around, and passively creating their tokens for the next year and holding those rewards will lead to excellent gains. The next way to survive this bear market is through Masternodes. Your best friend and a good starting point for this type of research is Masternodes.online. Now, with most of these Masternode coins, you are not in it for the long haul, like staking. You are in it for the short term. Get in and get out. Rinse and repeat with a new Masternode coin. Once on Masternodes.online, I like to go to ROI, or return on investment, and then sort by highest to lowest. Once here, we can start to pick some coins that may be good candidates. You want to look for coins that have, of course, a high ROI, but the main factor you want to look at is, does the coin have the volume for you to get rid of your rewards? So just going through the list right now, the ones that catch my eye are Kronos, extremely high ROI still, and it has the volume to get rid of the rewards. Same with YokiChat, Mobio, World Crypto Forum, and Crypto Invest Coin. Now, let me explain to you this right now. Most of these are absolute shit coins, and these are not long-term investments. Once you have the list of potential masternodes, it's time to do research. Look into the exchanges they are listed on. Can you get access to the exchange, and is it safe? You may need to take a risk and start playing with the smaller exchanges. Look into the block reward schedule. Do you have to lock up your masternode in coins? I would consider this a medium level risk, and I wish I had more time to focus on masternodes, because if you are on the ball, you can make out very well. A friend of the Chico channel, Scotty P, has been working his butt off learning the game. If you would like to learn more, I recommend checking out his channel. Link to it is in the description. Now, the final way to survive this market is most risky overall, takes a bigger initial investment, and your research game needs to be on point. This strategy comes in the form of GPU mining. Everyone may look at me like I'm crazy and say GPU mining is completely dead. It looks like it, but a side effect is you can currently get GPUs on the cheap, when there was a shortage of them a year ago and prices were crazy high. Well, if we head on over to whattomine.com, yes, there are only a few coins which are profitable to mine if you're paying for your electricity. But this was exactly the same case after the last big crash in 2013-2014. The coins were not profitable and many miners were continually dropping out. Those who stuck around and mined the coins which had futures, for example Ethereum, Monero when it came out, Dogecoin, they made off like bandits in this last bull run. Even if they sold now, they made off pretty damn good. That was a multi-year commitment and at the time seemed risky as hell. But by having faith that the markets will return, their investments paid off massively for them. The market moves in cycles, and the same cycle is repeating itself. Then there is another strategy with GPU mining. Finding new mineable coins, mining them early so you get most of the block rewards, waiting for them to catch the attention of the markets, them getting pumped, and then you subsequently dumping them for profit even in a bear market. Coins that this could have been done with, for example, Ravencoin and Amovio, which is actually still profitable to mine even in this market, and could be highly underrated as it hasn't gained attention yet, nor the exchanges. Again, just like anything, this takes research, and your best friend for this type of research is Bitcoin Talk altcoin announcements. Yes, almost every cryptocurrency announces their launch on Bitcoin Talk. Ravencoin and Amovio were no different. Here you'll have to go through many different shitcoins, but if you have the GPU rigs and find the gem, you could make off very well. Then there is Mimblewimble coin coming out on January 15th with a mainnet launch. If you have the GPU rigs, point that shit at this coin. Grin. Be one of the early ones, reap the rewards, ride that baby up, and then look for a good exit. Well, viewers, this episode was made to show you that there is hope ahead. And even when the markets are deeply red, there are ways to still make money and learn something new at the same time. Whether that is how to stake, how to play the Masternode game, or learning how to mine. Stagnation and accumulation, here we come. And as a Chico Army member, you will be prepared. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.